Hello everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to Yuanda Boiler Factory. We have two factories. Our old factory is for boiler raw materials. This is our new factory's main gate. Yuanda Boiler is established in 1956. It was a state-owned company before, and is one of the earliest boiler manufacturers in China. We established the new factory in 2012. The area covers 1 million square meters. The total staff are about 1,000 persons. It includes about 30 senior engineers, 200 workers, and others. The manufacturing equipments are about 516 sets, including 430 main equipments and 13 testing equipments. I want to show you our workshops. Please go with me. Here are our two workshops. First, this is the second and first workshop. The first workshop is meant for producing boiler body. The second workshop is meant for boiler accessories and finished products. Our boilers design, manufacturing, and packing are all finished here. I want to show you our research and technology development center. This way, please. This is our Research and Technology Development Center. Our technical consultant, Professor Li Zhiguang, will treat him as the father of boiler in the boiler industry. He has been engaged in boiler professional teaching, scientific research, and product development for 16 years. Our Chief Technical Engineer, Mr. Liu, a very serious salesperson, already has 14 years boiler design experience. He is very strict with the boiler safety, energy saving, and efficiency. There are also other 28 technicians in the technical center. I would like to introduce our chairman, Mr. Zhao. He has been engaged in boiler industry for 14 years. He very cares about the boiler efficiency and quality. Although he is already 64 years old, he insists on learning new technology. He always communicates with us the latest knowledge. Our company works, grow together, share together. We also have learned very much in Yuanda. We are not only the staff, we also consider Yuanda as our family. For many partners, Mary give birth here. We will be always with Yuanda. Yuanda now is our company and mainstay enterprise in Henan. Our bowlers have been exported to 86 countries and areas to the world. We provide high good quality products and service. May the world people love Chinese-made products. Welcome to visit our factory warmly. Our marketing and after-sales office is located in Zhengzhou City. Henan is the center of China. Zhengzhou is the provincial capital of Henan. The transportation is very convenient. There are many trees and places here. You can see Yuanda is high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. Via factory outlet, providing one-stop service. Our Yuanda Bowler vision be century-old enterprise, creating the international brand. Hope we with our customers can win-win in future. Thank you.